Okay. Hi, everyone. Okay, so I purchased a Hodedah 7 drawer dresser. And let me tell you, this was a mess to put together. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because these people uh, these people give you a million pieces to put together like you got a degree in engineering. And I am so pissed off. And then when you try to ask them for help, they direct you to the manual. If I knew how to put it together from the manual, I wouldn't have called you. I wouldn't have asked for assistance. These instructions can be kind of confusing. So this is the reason why I'm doing this video. I well, not unfortunately, but I put most of the dresser together so far. So I'm just going to show you. The remaining parts that I have to I have put together is the drawers, and then after that I have to put the handles on the drawers. But I don't ever want nobody to go through what I'm going through trying to put this dresser to get together. I got this dresser like in June. First of all, it's particle board. So it's particle board. Some of it was nicked when it came. I had to ask for replacement pieces because the pre-drill holes were broke. So you can't put a screw in there, because if you put a screw in there, it's going to fall off. So right now, I'm sorry, I'm using I have to put I was trying to put the phone somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. So here you have what they call a mini fixed screw. You have it right here. You have one right here. And you have one right here. And here is where the bottom of the dresser, that panel, is going to go into. But we'll get to that later. So, okay. So this is a number 12. This is a number 12. This is the side of your drawer. Okay? And you got two little tabs that ain't worth, well, whatever. But you have two little tabs. You will insert the tabs in these pre-drill holes and so. And then the mini screw will fit into this big hole right here. You can always tell when it's time for a mini fix, because it'll have a big hole right here. That's where a big silver nut goes. So you put this in here as like this. I have to get my hammer. I have to get my hammer. Ladies, if you don't have a boo or a husband or somebody to do this, and even they will probably complain once they see all the damn pieces to this dresser, then I would suggest that well, this is the reason why I'm doing this for you, so try to follow along. I'm going to have to pause this video so I can pound this siding in here. Just wait one moment. Okay, so it's supposed to go in like this, okay? You just tap it down in there. Now this is 12. That's going to be, I don't want to mess y'all up. Okay, you can tell that you put 12 on the right side. This is where the handles go. Well, these are where the screws go to the handles. Okay, this is not the side that you pull out. This is the other side where you put your clothes or whatever you want to in there. And right here is where we're going to put the nut, the mini fixed nut. It would also help if you are organized. You have all your tools and pieces, so you don't be scrounging around like me. This is a mini fixed nut. The mini fixed nut will go into this big hole right here. Okay?
Did Roderick try and contact him? No, sir. Do you have any idea where he would be?
You will take your flathead screwdriver, a flathead is this, and you will twist it like so. Uh-oh. I was twisting it the wrong way. And it will lock. Okay? Because this is to keep, this is supposed to keep the sides secure. Okay? But this isn't the only, now one thing I can say about these people, they give you so many pieces to make sure that that this is that your dresser won't fall apart on you. Like, they give you all these intricate pieces. See, look at this. I didn't do this. This came like this. And they gave me a replacement. I don't. Okay, they gave me a replacement. I don't know where it is.
Specializes in breast cancer.
Okay, so this is 14.
Oops.
This is 14. Okay, this goes on the other side. This goes on the other side. I have to put the plastic I have to put the plastic dowels in here. So you have a plastic dowel here, put a piece of black plastic.
Get your calm on with the Honest Truly Calming collection.
Alright, let me get one that's already done. Ugh. Okay, so here's a 14. Okay? Make sure the wheel's on the outside. That's how you know you're doing the right side. These are the plastic dowels. We're going to do this one more time, only we're doing it on the other side. We're going to place the black dowels down inside. We are also inserting our mini fix screw, okay, like this. You're going to take your hammer, just like we did on this side, and we're going to tap it, because this stuff is made out of particle board. If you go in there like Thor, you're gonna chip your furniture. I have to put the phone. I had to pause this video.
We are St. Joseph's University. Discover your hand at sju.edu.
Okay, tap it down in there like that. Again, get your mini fix nut with the cross going this way. Anytime you put these in here, you want the screwy part, the nail head, the screw head facing outwards. You don't want this side out. You want this side in. Okay, you can push this in here if you want. It'll let you. You take your flathead to secure, turn it. I'm trying to hold. Ah.
If you think of anything else, call me and I'll be in touch, okay?
It's giving me a problem because I didn't. It's probably crooked, so I have to take it out and put it back in. Okay, you can press this in here all the way. Might have to play with it a little bit.
Dude, I think that is it.
Go in.
I need to look up Hodedah. This is possibly the.
Okay. Make sure it's tight. Make sure you don't have no gaps. Make sure you don't have no gaps. Make sure you tap. Make sure you tap your panel in very tightly. Okay, so then now you see why I need a new dresser. Look at this. Okay, so then you're going to take your panel. Okay, this is the bottom of your shelf. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot a piece.
Judging by where the gun's found,
okay, so
it's going to be the shooter.
this is
the one who hid the possible murder weapon.
Our witness thinks the second suspect is.
This is what I mean by being organized. But see, I did this on the fly.
That's not enough to.
It's no excuse, but
We're gonna get his phone records. And we'll
I just don't want nobody else going through what I had to go through. Okay.
For now, he's just a person of interest.
You see this? This is 15.
Tulsa Homicide is still on the hunt for their
I think no. Okay, this is 15. This is going to give added support to your panel. The bottom of your drawer. You will insert 15 in like so. You're going to get your your trusty mini nut, mini fix nut, and you will insert it into the hole like so.
Robert Whiteside and Claude Calvin, and are waiting on phone records to confirm their whereabouts the night of the murder.
I don't even think. Wait a minute. I don't even think I'm putting it the right way. You gotta be real careful with this.
Ritter gets a call from Crime Stoppers. It's with a possible name for the lookout.
Oh.
Alright, cool. Thanks, man. Bye.
Now, once you get the hang of this, once you get the hang of it,
6'2", 280. He's a big dude.
I got it big.
once you get the hang of this,
Image of the guy on video.
Yeah.
you can probably put it together. Now, what I would suggest is that to make this go faster, is to have another
I need to
person.
run his phone too to see if he was with Claude and Whiteside.
You see how I push that in there like that?
Together and put them in the same location.
You're gonna take your flathead. Hold up, I gotta put the phone down.
Several weeks later, the phone records are in.
Let's see. At midnight 30.
So you tighten that up. This is when you're gonna get the bottom. This is when you're gonna get the bottom of your
The
dresser.
records place Calvin and the
You will
lookout
slide.
at the time of
You will slide the panel in these little indentations, like so.
And get warrants issued on those two guys.
This is not as hard as I'm making it look. I'm trying to hold the phone and
all three suspects.
whoa.
And their hard work finally pays off.
Okay, like that. I'm sorry that I couldn't shoot it. All right. Then you're gonna take panel 13. You see this in the indentation? You're gonna face it this way. You see how this hole is going to meet up with, you probably can't see it, but this hole right here. This is the back of your dresser. This is the back. And you're gonna slide it into the panel like so. Look. Look. Okay? You're gonna take these screws, your C screw. You're gonna screw 2 here, 1 here, and 2 on the other side. I have a power drill because I got, it's gonna save me some time, but I would suggest that you do it manually because these particle boards, if you don't know what you're doing and you use a power drill, you'll chip your item. Okay, so let me line up the screw holes. I'm gonna put a screw here, drill, put a screw here, drill, put a screw here, drill, and on the other side. I am going to pause this video because I'm going to do all the dressers, the big dresser drawers, and I can't drill and hold the phone at the same time. So I'll get back when I do the 2 little drawers.
With the comprehensive